Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 3 video for building a rolling a dice game project in Python code. In the last video we almost finished up the project, but the lack of many concepts to explain, I did not finish that part, this project. But in today's video I will try to finish it, and without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you are just wondering, my background image is changed. It's because I upgraded my laptop and it's the new software. That's why it's changing, just if you're wondering. But now let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back. The last time we built this, we write this code and we almost done, and let's see where we are. Okay, we can print it out welcome to rolling dice game, and we can create many times. It will going to randomly choose the number between 1 up to 6, and then I will going to ask the user if he want to rolling a dice or not, and if he inputs something other than yes or no, we will going to ask him again, and after if he give the correct answer, if he say no, we're going to break this loop, but otherwise we're going to ask some number to guess which the dice number. I think, I'm sorry if it's grammarly wrong, but I think that's how you say it. What is we can say tell me the dice, tell me your guess of the dice number. I'm sorry if I grammarly write it this thing, but just what I want to say is to guess this number, whatever the Python choose function have here, and then what we want to do here now is we also need to change this to lower. I explain this benefit using this one, because if the person is input is y, for example, let's say if he input yes into, for example, if he say y capital and the rest of our small letter, the Python code is not going to understand it. It will going to be the same everything here. If some of them are capital letter, we're going to think the character like other than, so it will going to ask him again to put yes or no here. For that reason, we want to change everything that the user gives here will going to be to change into lower. If you let me show you why I'm by that. Okay, let's say I do that capital Y. This because I changed here, but I did not run this one. This is the previous one that I did not change it. So if I say yes, the Y is capital and the rest of are small. If I do that, as you can see here, it will ask me to put yes or no, because this not considered like this one. But if I run this one, the new one, and if I say yes, at the same as the past one. As you can see here, we're going to break the loop here. Okay, and that's why I use this one. Okay, now let's build our project. Okay, after the user is give us the number, we want also the number to be between 1 up to 6, and here we want to the user to put the number, not the character other than the number, and then also the number we want to be is 1 up to 6, because the dice is have 1 up to 6 numbers. So let's code that thing. Okay, if we want to loop through this code, right? So while true, if user equal to range of 7, and then we want to index this one 1 up to the end of the list. This is going to be create for us a list, and this will going to be index that list. Okay, if that's happening, we want to break the loop, and if it doesn't, we want to tell the user we want to print number between 1 up to 6, right? Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let me delete the terminal and let me run this again. Okay, do you wanna roll the dice? Let's say yes. Okay, yes. Okay, tell me tell me you guess of the dice number. Okay, let's guess 2. Doesn't happen. Okay, where's spelling error here. Okay, I did this capital letters, that's why. Let's do that again. And I think this project going to be have a more part video, because it have much thing to explain. Okay, let's guess 2 number between. Okay, all right. It's because this okay, why? Okay, this is because the user input are going to be considered like strings, so we can change that by doing this. And let's delete this one and let's try again. Okay, we also running of time, and I will continue the next part, but I will explain this again. Okay, tell me the date. Let's guess 2. The number between. Okay, I also have to say must be between. Okay, what drag is still wrong? I think okay, let's put 1. as well. I don't know why, but okay, let me try something. We change this into integer, our input, and then okay, what's happening here? Okay, okay, I also confused. But let me try some other thing. If this work, maybe let me do like this one. Maybe if this work, 7. Maybe if this work. Okay, let me delete this one and let me run this one again. Okay, yes. Tell me your dice number. 2. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I will fix this problem in the next video, and I'm sorry for if you consider that this project will going to be in a few parts, but I'm not able. I was not able to do that. It's because the lack of many topic to explain, and I will see you guys in the next video, part video, and goodbye. I see you there.